So, this is my first video documenting my journey to profitable trader. I've already bought two 5K account, which are blown right now, and this is the first one to like keep a track, of my journey, my progress, and whatever it takes inside my journey of trading. This is the trade recap of Monday, 5th of January 2026, where I ended up losing 527. Just off records, I want to tell that um, this account is not real, is fake money. In fact, I'm trading on TradingView just because I want to buy a 50K account, but I want to do 1 month of practice on TradingView because I used to trade on MT4, MT5, never trade on TradingView. So I want to take a month just to understand how to trade on TradingView, like position size, trade management, contract, VS, like lot size on MT5. So I want to get used to it. So I think we can start to talk about this trade that I took yesterday. So this was my initial idea on Nasdaq and ES. ES will be always to my right and Nasdaq will be always to my left, so keep in mind this. So in the pre-market session, like before 9:30 open, what we saw was this huge push to the upside. Let me show you here, and then we can see the trade. So Nasdaq at the time were, let me go to 15-minute and market open, where it is here. At the time of market open, we were really below the previous day open, previous day high. Sorry, we were really below here. Instead, yes, was really close here. This was previous day high. Let this wasn't a real trade. And this is previous day high. Yeah. So at the time of market open, where is market open? Yeah. In the market open candle, we were like really close to it. We already took it on ES. So my thought process was right. We took previous day high, so we put here an SMT, high time frame SMT. In fact, it was, I think, okay, here is 1 hour. Let me see, 4 hour. Yeah, even in 4 hours, so it was a high time frame SMT, which leads me in the open to go down. Why go down? Go down because we have all those low resistance liquidity here. You see, all those um, low resistance liquidity to be ran, and my idea was to like um, go higher, manipulate, make an SMT, rebalance, and then go lower. This was my idea. So we wait for market open, 10 a.m. Where is 10 a.m. here? 10 a.m. Was in was a news, so bullish news. We swept again, and this is what come in play. So at this time in market, we had this internal one, SMT. So we have a huge high time frame SMT. We have an internal SMT with 9:30 open, which is like a very strong drawn liquidity, right? But is already a strong um, trading level, right? So if we put an SMT with 9:30 open, my idea is okay. We wanna go lower, right? We wanna go lower because we put an SMT. Yes, didn't take this high. Took this 9:30 high. So my idea was okay. Let me see if the rebalance somewhere is good, right? Um, Now after the trade, I realized that there wasn't nothing like unfilled and shit. We had just this one, which is a 5 minute inverse IFEG, right? So this could be a target, but for maybe the rebalance, right? We push higher here, making SMT, so we can drop lower, and maybe if you want, continue higher, right? This was my idea. So I scale down to 3 minute. Yeah, like before I scale down to 1 minute. Why 1 minute? 1 minute because I want to catch a really kind of short trade, right? So I'll scale down to 1 minute, and this was the time of putting an SMT. So I was looking in the previous leg if you had like some IFEG, some bullish FEG to be inverted. So here nothing. I went to the 3 minute and I saw this 3 minute. So I said like to make all back. We have an external SMT, internal SMT. We have this kind of doji candle, right? So it might be something like this, right? This was my idea, of course, right? Oh shit. What is here? Right? So we flip bearish and we go lower. This was my idea. In fact, we inverse the 3 minute. I enter here. My stop was. I have a rule for the stop loss, which let me explain to you. If we have two candle, um, this is a bullish candle, and this is a bearish candle, right? Now I'm making it engulfing, but like this, and my stop loss will be, and I want to take a short. Let me put this in red. I want to take a short. Let's say here, my rule is that the stop loss needs to be at the lowest low that made the swing low. Okay, this is my rule. Okay, this is my rule to place the stop loss, right? We do like this. We put stop loss here because this is my opinion is stop trade. So we stop everyone out and we flip bearish. So this is why I put my stop loss here. And let me remove all this. So we invert the 3 minute here. Scale out to 1 minute to see the exact candle that closed. They inverted the fair value gap. This was, so I enter here. As you can see here, this is what makes high and low. There's a high, there's a low. I prefer to say here just because give like little extra points for price to breathe. Well, nothing. Price decide to rally up and continue go higher. This is how I lost today. What I can say that this wasn't 100%. This wasn't the right trade. I know it's kind of forced. So like, yeah, it's fair. It's fair because I forced the trade. This wasn't look like a reversal. Why? Why? This is why. Yeah, we have low resistance liquidity down there, but nothing more. So is 100% my fault here to taking this trade. Then yeah, we ended up eating TP right, but not at this time. We had another move up, swiping out all those low resistance liquidity. And then what we can see here, um, let go, scale to 3 minute. We have a 3 minute here. This was the trade that was on ES before, and let me use the bullish FEG. Right, we have this 3 minute, got inverse here. So this was too much for me to enter right here and put my stop loss here. So what I've been doing, maybe wait for a retest of this gap. um, yeah, retest of this gap, looking for to see something like a breaker structure to the downside. Here we have breaker structure to the downside, so this would be maybe break-even trade. I mean, let's see, maybe in this price leg we don't have nothing more, so break-even here, and of course taking some profit out. This would be 100% stop loss, 100%. So yeah, um, to summary it back, this was 100% my fault. I forced the trade, and yeah, like we down 500 out of 50k. My goal in January is to trade this kind of fake account, demo account, like a prop, and to see at the end of the month if I'm ready to buy a 50k account or I just need to wait and backtest more. Yeah, and nothing more. What else I can say? I respect all my rules. We have an SMT. I logged my before pre-market idea and my post trade idea. 100% my fault. Yeah, sorry guys, I was taking up a phone call by my mom because today is a great snowing day in Italy, and yep. So today in my afternoon time, my PM time, so is New York AM open 9:30. For me, 9:30 is 15:30, so 6 hour after. And yep. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope my English is good, cause I came from a country which English is not the first language. So hope you understand. Yep. Let's see if we can take a trade today or nothing. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching. See you next time.